In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide heart rate in Strava app. If you want to keep your heart rate private while still tracking your workouts, this quick setting inside Strava lets you do exactly that. We'll walk through where to find it, what it does, and a few helpful notes so you know exactly what to expect after you turn it on. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, head to your profile. You can do that by tapping the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to your personal dashboard, where you manage your account and preferences. Next, look for the settings icon, the small gear in the top corner of the profile page, and tap it. This opens all your account and privacy options. Inside settings, find and select privacy controls. This is where Strava centralizes the tools that manage what others can and can't see on your profile and activities. From there, tap on hidden details. You'll see a list of data types you can hide from public view. Find heart rate in that list. To hide it, simply toggle the switch next to heart rate. When the toggle is on, your heart rate data will no longer be visible to other people who view your activities. That's it, your heart rate is now hidden. A few helpful notes as you do this. Hiding your heart rate doesn't stop Strava from recording it. It only controls who can see it. You'll still have access to your own numbers, so your training insights like effort and trends remain useful to you. This setting affects how your data appears to others across your activities, keeping your sensitive biometrics out of public view. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same hidden details screen and turn the toggle off to make heart rate visible again. The layout may look slightly different on iOS and Android, but the path is the same. Profile, settings, privacy controls, hidden details, then heart rate. If you don't see hidden details, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. To recap, open the Strava app, go to your profile, tap the settings gear, choose privacy controls, select hidden details, and toggle heart rate on to hide it. With this quick adjustment, you maintain your privacy while still getting the training data you rely on. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more private Strava experience.